The collar is just up.
Dude, didn't even put the collar down.
Honestly, assume almost everything isn't tight. We're probably gonna want to go through this entire car.
This is gonna get
Alright, you guys, welcome to winter. When I say winter, I mean it's October 30th and it's fucking snowing. White bullshit. Get the f out of here. Angelo! What are we doing today? So what are you doing?
Taking out wheels to put new ones on.
What the fuck are you doing?
Is it the same dirty one you use on the floor?
That is filthy.
Tim, really?
That is filthy.
Alright, so we took apart the skid plate basically that goes on the Tesla. Under that is where the guy put the management, the compressor, the tank. Now, this stuff was not set up correctly. All the Teflon tape was literally put on reverse, so when you put the threads in, it literally pulled the Teflon tape off. Probably why he's having a leak. So I ended up taking off the water trap as well as the compressor. Had to redo the Teflon tape on that. Gonna take off these two as well, because you can literally see it's pushing the Teflon tape instead of taking it in. All this Teflon tape is just pushed to the top. There's literally no Teflon tape on the threads themselves. We come over here. I took the skid plate itself, which everything was mounted to, which the gentleman prior to us made. It's thick, it weighs a lot, it'll work, but his holes were in the wrong spot. There's some holes missing, there's too many holes in some spots. So what I did is I sanded everything down because it was already rusting. We can show you in some photos that I took. So I sanded everything down. I just threw one quick coat of primer on it. Gonna do a couple more on both sides, and then I'm gonna rhino line it. And then from there, we're gonna reinstall everything properly, take the management, move it to a different part of the car that's gonna make it a lot safer.
So we're making our way back over to the Tesla, and we took some time last night to clean up the whole entire trunk, hood thing, right? So everything's routed, all nice and neat. We have the main harness wire ran down here. We have the compressor wire, power and ground here, along with the wire to the management right here. So it's just basically putting it back together, and then we're gonna be working on the struts. So what we've done with the floor, we completely removed it. Angelo basically rebored all the holes for the air lines and the harness and everything. We primered it, we painted it, and then we added bed liner to assure no rust will happen in that location. And on top of that, just to keep the management safe, we're gonna move that somewhere else. We're creating a custom bracket so we can mount it somewhere nice and cozy. And then we're gonna take this V-air right here, lube it up, and shove it right up my ass. That's cool. That's good.
Probably right about there.
Nope.
There we go.
Got it.
Nice. So now, what do we have to do?
I'm taking it all apart and doing it again.
No.
See if we can do it fast.
We're gonna get under here. We're gonna mount the plate. We have the plate down here, ready to just go up. It's all bed lined and painted, so we don't have to worry about rust. All the wiring's cleaned up, and then we can just like adjust the sensors, right?
Yeah. All right, so we just pulled out the rear bag. We've already done the other side. We're taking this off. We're gonna end up fixing this Teflon tape because the guy put the Teflon tape backwards on the whole entire car. We're done under the hood. We're done in the front. About to be finishing up the rears. We're cleaning up the whole entire interior for him. It came in pretty dirty, so we figure, you know what? It sat here for a little bit. Let's help the guy out. Other than that, just got the height sensors. Get everything else done. A few minutes later, we got both the rear bags back in. Just got to finish up cleaning up the rear lines, get those all buttoned up, out of the way. Then we can work on adjusting the height sensors, seeing what's up with those. Get the wheels back on it and give it its first test hit with the bags on it, reinstalled, and the new tank set up. Get that all mounted up. Just about done. She's looking real good. Wow, welcome to the vlog.
So we're gonna button up that side skirt there. We got the wheel back on, and now we just gotta calibrate this sucker, and we should be good. We cleaned the hell, I cleaned the hell out of the inside. This thing is spotless. I didn't want to touch the screen because I didn't know how sensitive that was to like Windex or anything, so I just left that alone. And then, I don't know if I had any clips of before, but this shit was brown. It was brown. And if you're watching this, bro, keep this thing clean. I'm just kidding. No, really, keep it clean, keep it clean, keep it clean. Get the cat!
Sounds like Jim's ass.
Alright, let her go. Oh my gosh, look at you. You are a lion dog. You're a lion dog.
What's going on, guys? It is a beautiful Sunday morning. I have no idea where Eric's gonna be putting this in the vlog, but today we got something pretty special for you guys, picking up a car. I'll just give you a quick little hint. We're gonna do it for Dale. The only hint I'm gonna give you. Hey. So we're going to wake up Angelo before we get this new car, then we going on drifting and get the I like cuddle him. So we are off to go get this vehicle that I am not mentioning yet. You excited?
What the hell are you talking about?
4.6 inside of the 03 Mustang GTs and stuff. Get it.
Bam.
Go.
So how do you feel you're Crown Vic owner now?
I don't know.
How's it going, officer?
Sir, please step away from me.
Okay. It looks so good!
In a world full of crime, will it be Angelo? Will it be Brayden, the man who always seems to be there at the right time? Or will it be the notorious breadman killer? He can actually eat a full bowl of breadsticks all to himself, with no help. Or will it be the notorious Sean from Carbon Kings? He was last seen at a local vegan bar saying hell yeah to the waitress. The world may never know. There's only one way to really find out.
And that's to subscribe to the channel, goddammit. It's free. It's a red button right down below. It's the red button right down below, or it's right on the screen right here. All you gotta do is click it. It takes 5 seconds, maybe even less if you're quick with it. But all I know, it's free, and if you're enjoying the content, stay with us. Don't you wanna know what happens in the next episode of Carbon Crimes?
What's worse than buying a Crown Vic?
Putting $6,000 wheels on it.
No, we're not doing that.
Here's how.
We are not doing this.
Downforce.
Absolutely not.
This looks good.
This is it. This is the move.
Let's do it.
We are not doing this.
We're doing this. I approve.
We're doing this.
Angelo, I can make a mount for the Nerf gun. Make it a whole armory back here.
Oh no!
You fucking idiot.
I didn't know I was Hulk!
This poor thing, bro. I feel so bad for the car.
The second it hit, I was like,
Having a car you don't care about is way more fun than a nice one.
Don't get slipped, don't get strapped, don't
you
get
serious?
bronchitis. Hey. So this money shit, yeah, it's been on my mind. Fuck your posse clip. I'ma pop off in time with the Tommy miss. Yeah, this how I slime. I'm out to see some tits. Yeah, your mommy is fine. Hey, I'm a good boy.